Hi there, this is Bonrek the Orc, and today I was watching a video on Numberphile, which, for anybody that's unfamiliar with it, it's an excellent channel, great for anybody that's interested in numbers or mathematics, and I highly recommend it. Anyway, the video I was watching today was called Maths versus Math, and it basically attempted to settle whether or not the British form of maths is more correct than the American form of math, or vice versa. And in the video, Brady interviewed Dr. Lynn Murphy, where, without actually saying it, she suggests, through her arguments, that the American form is more correct. However, I disagree with her and feel that the arguments that she put forward were in fact invalid, and I'll try to explain why. Now, the whole thing really hinges on the point whether or not the word mathematics is plural, and Dr. Murphy first attempted to show that it wasn't plural because you cannot count mathematics. That is, you wouldn't say there are two mathematics. And she then went on to say that when you have the word mathematics agree with the verb, you use the singular form. That is, you say mathematics is interesting. You don't say mathematics are interesting, which suggests that the word is singular. And she then suggests that the use of the S on the end of maths, as the British use it, is down to what she says is folk etymology, in mistakenly believing that the word mathematics is plural. And she then starts talking about fluffy cats. You say one cat is fluffy, two cats are fluffy. So here we clearly see that singular is, plural is are. And then she suggests that the word mathematics should follow the same rule. Math is fun, maths is fun. You don't say maths are fun. That is not grammatically correct. And she suggests that this all means that the word mathematics is not plural. So then Brady asked the natural question, so why is there an S on the end of the word mathematics? And Dr. Murphy then explains that it's derived from the Greek mathematica, which he then admits is plural, meaning for all things mathematical. And this appears to be a contradiction, because first of all she tries to demonstrate that mathematics is not plural before having to admit that actually it is plural. And Dr. Murphy's premise that the word mathematics is not plural because of the way the word is spoken in everyday language is not correct, because there are in fact several words in the English language that are plural, or collections that are spoken of in the singular form, though most of them don't have an S on the end, so it's hard to find examples that you can actually use to show that arguments are not valid. Though some do, and interestingly enough, the best place to look for these words are where mathematics is used, namely weights and measures, and two very good examples is the word pound and yard. Now pound, when abbreviated, you use lb, which is from the ancient Roman weights libra, and in the plural it's lbs, and yard abbreviated to yd, and in the plural is yds. So here we can see two very good examples that in the plural, when abbreviated, the S is kept. And when we're speaking of yards and pounds, do we use is or are? And we find that both pounds and yards, which are plural, are spoken of in the same manner as mathematics, and not at all like fluffy cats. £1,000 is heavy. 100 yards is far. So here we see that although £1,000 is plural, it is spoken of as a singular, and the same with 100 yards. We don't say £1,000 are heavy, and we don't say 100 yards are far. We use the singular is, and it's the same with mathematics. Mathematics is plural, not mathematics are plural, and the word mathematics is most definitely plural. As Dr. Murphy agreed herself, it's from the Greek plural for all things mathematic. Hope you understand this and hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and please rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.